One of the best phrases I've heard is engineering is the art of science. You can bring out your creative skills and really enjoy doing work within that field.
Yeah, I like the idea of building and designing houses from the scratch. When you're working as civil and structural engineering, as a design drafter, you just start from base, you develop the structure of the house, then you go to the roof part of it. So it just all comes together and you build up a whole house together.
In the associate degree course, I get to do 2 years at TAFE before continuing on to uni. So I just have to do 2 more years at uni before having to graduate with my bachelor's. We cover pretty much the same content that they do in uni, but it's pretty practical. I definitely think there are benefits for me taking both structural and mechanical engineering. In a way, it provides me with, a background in both if I decide to go into whichever major later on. The skills that I gain from studying at TAFE in both civil and mechanical allows me to be able to use different softwares.
We do expect a lot from our students because they are going to be professionals in the field, and both universities and industry expect a certain level of professionalism. But all of our graduates at the end of the course have a great appreciation for what is required to be an engineer, and also a fantastic depth of knowledge across all aspects of civil and structural engineering.
The market is very demanding. Industry partners are always telling us, make sure that your student has the knowledge, but also has the work ethics. So I'm making sure that my students are not only have the knowledge, but also they are professional associate engineers and they can find the job easily.
I love the stuff here. They try to keep all the students, at the same pace moving forward so that no one gets left behind. Magdalina is one of the lecturers here at TAFE SA, and she is usually the person I go to for advice on my study pathway. Magdalina plans out my studies for each semester because she knows what outcomes I'm looking to achieve at the end of the year. Yeah. It makes me feel more confident in what I can achieve at the end of every semester.
I'm passionate. I love my teaching and I love my students. They make lots of joy for me. We're very accommodative here and we're really enjoying to work together. I generally take the subjects in a first stage, so I'm sort of like a support officer for them as well. I'm treating the students as my own kids. They come here, they're very unsure what is going on. It's a very different culture. I came through the way, so I understand the concept.
Eventually, I would like to go home to contribute to my country's infrastructure. I definitely think that I gained some pretty helpful skills from TAFE that could positively impact the infrastructure back in my country.
I'm really enjoying my current work because I think so what I've done in past 2 years, I've gathered the skill set from TAFE, from the lecturers over there, and now I'm just putting that into effect. So it's really good now that you know about the work that you're doing. You're just putting your skills into effect.
We have small class sizes with great support from lecturers. Our lecturers all have fantastic industry knowledge. Compared to other educational institutions, TAFE provides the best combination of practical and academic skills to move your career forward whichever way you want to go.